Hailing a ride, mastering modern English phrases. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very common English phrase, hail a ride. Whether you're traveling, watching movies, or reading, you might have come across this phrase. It's quite handy, especially in our fast-paced world. So, let's explore what it means, how you can use it, and some interesting facts about it. The phrase, hail a ride, is used when someone signals or calls for a vehicle, like a taxi or a car service, with the intention of getting a lift. Traditionally, this would mean physically waving or signaling to a taxi on the street. However, in our modern context, it also extends to using a smartphone app to book a ride from services like Uber or Lyft. Key points. Traditional meaning, physically signaling for a taxi. Modern usage also includes using apps to book a car service. To better understand how to use hail a ride, let's see it in some sentences. 1. After the concert, we had to hail a ride to get back to our hotel. 2. I don't have a car, so I usually hail a ride every morning to go to work. As you can see, it's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts. This phrase has evolved with technology. In the past, hailing a ride was associated with taxis in busy city streets. Nowadays, it's more commonly associated with the act of using a digital app to request a car. This change reflects how language evolves with societal changes and technological advancements. For those learning English, remember, context is key. The meaning can vary slightly depending on whether you're talking about traditional taxis or modern ride-sharing services. Practice makes perfect. Try using this phrase in your conversations or write a few sentences with it. And that's a wrap on Hail a Ride. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more comfortable using this phrase in your everyday English. Remember, language is a living thing, and phrases like this show how it changes with our world. Keep practicing, and you'll be hailing rides in English in no time. See you in the next video.